Welcome to the Bodygraph chart platform. Are you ready to revolutionize your human design reading business? Our mission is to make your life easier and help you build a successful business so you can focus on helping people live better lives through your service. Let's get started with a quick video tour of your Bodygraph chart platform. In the Home section, you will discover how to make the most of our platform. Start by integrating the chart into your website to start generating human design charts. You can also customize your chart style and colors to fit your unique brand. And of course, you can create automated human design reading reports to bring more value to your customers. The Statistics section provides valuable insights into how many charts were generated and how many reports were downloaded and sold, allowing you to optimize your usage and get the most value out of our platform. In the Integrate Chart section, you can create embed codes that can be inserted into any website platform, including Wix, Shopify, WordPress, Kajabi, Squarespace, and more. You can customize the language, chart design, and enable email collection to build your customer base. Your customers can download a free one-page human design chart in PDF format, and you can even enable the sale of human design reading reports. In My Chart Design, you can create your own chart design by selecting your own colors, shapes, and icons. Alternatively, you can choose from the design templates our team has already prepared and make minor changes as needed. Next is the My Human Design Content section, where you can choose from different languages and personalize the human design properties and descriptions. You can also hide any human design properties you don't want to display, and all changes will be reflected on the Human Design Chart results page. In My Apps, you can integrate newsletters, CRM, data storage apps, and payment methods to sell your human design reports with ease. Simply create a new app, enter your API key, and you're ready to go. To enable these apps, go back to the Integrate Chart feature and select the ones you want to use for your embed code. This is a great feature for automating your business needs. One of the most important features of this platform is My Reading Reports. This feature allows you to create your own reading reports or use templates created by our contributors. You can set up payments and send automated download links to your customers. To display your automated reports, go back to your embed code inside the Integrate Chart feature. We recommend creating 2 human design reading reports, one for free download as a lead magnet and another for sale. The Property Links section is useful if you want to lead your website visitors to a specific product page or blog post that provides information about their human design chart. Select the language you're using on your embed code and add some links. The Custom Properties section is an excellent tool that allows you to create advanced human design properties, such as active and passive environments. You can better understand this feature and how to use it by downloading our templates and importing them. These templates will be integrated automatically into your human design reports and My HD content sections, making it easier for you to get started. The Chart Presentation feature is a simple and basic tool for creating different variations of your chart. You can export images in PNG or PDF format and select your own designed chart design. In the More section, you can take advantage of the free website hosting that comes included in your subscription and even set up your own free WordPress website. If you're a developer, you'll have access to the API documentation. Additionally, the Help page contains a variety of helpful videos and articles to guide you in using the platform. In your Account section, you can manage your subscriptions, invoices, payment methods, and get your API key. Thank you for watching this quick overview of your Bodygraph chart platform. We hope you found it helpful. If you have any further questions or need assistance with using our platform, don't hesitate to reach out to our customer support team. We are always happy to help.